Today I'm going to show you my new explosion box that I made for one of my daughter's friends. Party is today, and there we start. It's a little bit sunny, so let's see if you can see what I made. Lots of birthday wishes. There we go, hugs and kisses, birthday wishes. Little girls with dreams become women with vision. She leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. There is the next layer. And there we have birthday wishes on all four sides. And I don't know if you can see here the nice butterflies that I encapsulated. And in here, the little party girl gets a necklace. Here she gets a little chocolate. Here a few stickers. Can you see it? Yes, in here are a few stickers. And in here there is a little eraser. I hope she will like it. So put it back in here. Let's see if we can make this a little bit more so you can see it. Very good. All right, next layer. We have it. There is a little hair bow. Here we have, I can't open this properly, little notebook. There is a bracelet for a little girl. And here we have another chocolate. And on all four sides some more birthday wishes. There we have layer 1, 2, 3, 4 with bows on each side. Some birthday wishes here. And in the little pockets here she will find a few Disney erasers. There we have Rapunzel. Here's Ariel, here is Belle, and you name it. And then, last layer, here we have a little unicorn. I hope she will like it, together with a few more stickers. And yeah, if you have liked this, please leave a thumbs up for my video and subscribe to my channel so I can show you more of my crafting. Here is the lid again. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.